By the way, you guys can enjoy the cocoa. Cocoa? Cocoa. See? सबने ज्वाइन कर लिया रिम?
Yes, 45 have joined.
Coco, say hi. Well, so yeah, what was the last questions?
Last one was like he was saying if we wouldn't, like everyone will get the result.
Yeah, so once you are shortlisted for situation test, Coco, you are also shortlisted. So obviously you will get your result. There is no doubt about your result. So एक चीज तो आप दिमाग में लाओ ही नहीं, रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा आपका. हाँ, ये हो सकता, you may not have admissions, और ऐसा भी हो सकता है जो आपको सीट मिले तो मे बी some new seats and all. Ma'am, is there any recording of this class? I totally, oh yeah, some question for you, Rimji ma'am. Well, so there are so many things is not recorded in this session. वो नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Well, so by the way, when it come to the admission, hello, Rimji ma'am.
Yes, now you're audible.
Audible, na? Yeah, yeah. I got a call in between. Well, so if you will score more than 80 and 90, irrespective of whatever category you are in, either general, OBC, SC, whatever, I am giving you guarantee. If you want me, if you think like you are getting tense, not able to think and rethink on work, focus nahi ho pa raha hai, you are having lot of tension, please mail me. I'll make sure I will send you the reply in the mail, giving you guarantee. If you will score 18 plus in situation test, you will get the admission in NIFT. Clear? Now, the two things are here. One is, आपको मेरे से guarantee चाहिए, so you have to make sure you will have 18 plus marks. तो उसके लिए you just need to work, and you don't need to work hard. Again, I'm neither or nor, even during my college days also, I was not fan of long classes. So if you will see, you don't have any long classes here also. So lengthy 2-3 घंटे का. You need to understand that what is the requirement of my exams, how I should be calm, composed, relaxed, and give my best for these exams. Second thing, you have to be productive. Labor नहीं चाहिए, college को भी labor नहीं चाहिए, and even we are not looking for that. So understand, and I think you guys having such kind of work also. See, if you are having a 1 hour class, we are giving you 1 to 2 hour ka homework which you are supposed to complete that day or next day. Then after that you are having a classes. So we are completed the first step where we have a 5-6 classes in a day. Every day you should work on 5-10 product. That is done. Now we have to think. We have to give more time to our thinking skill, conceptual idea, so that you can put in your work those things. Getting it? Like suppose I got bored sitting inside having a meeting on Myntra and your guys some other projects and all. So I thought, okay, now let's come outside and talk. So make sure if you get bored and sitting in home and working on product and thinking about your result, just go explore nearby. Don't go outside much. There's a lockdown, but if you have some relaxation, just enjoy, just see the nature, inspire from things around you, and do not in a form of product only. Just simply do something. Let's keep yourself active. Obviously you will not demotivate. Yeah, this anxiety ka I keep getting a call and messages many of them. So personally, if you have anything that you can ask me, or else you can call and message, say your parents to call if something you need to discuss very seriously. Obviously we will solve that also, don't worry. I'll make sure you will get motivated. Yeah, next question. Anything else, or should be in this session now?
How many marks do we need for NIF Delhi?
Oh my God. Again, see, these are the problem of your anxiety. Extra thinking. Don't think. Stop thinking all this. चलो मैं अपनी स्टोरी फिर बताता हूँ आप लोग बोले बार बार बताते हो. I shifted Bangalore before joining the Bangalore NIFT. I started here a work with label called Renus by Govind Kumar Singh, which you keep seeing it right now also. If you are on Ignite channel and all, बार बार आता होगा Govind sir का. I started Tailor Shop the day I joined the NIFT, or maybe I think before that also we were having it, like, you know, workshop, but kind of customization shop was the first. And even in my area, my location in sector 321 in HSR, that was the first shop. So what is the main agenda of the meaning of, I was never worried, so I will get NIFT Bangalore or not. I got the rank. In that rank, I can aram se I could got a KD in NIFT Delhi also. तो लाइफ में उन आपको करना क्या है वो डिसाइड करो, काम पे फोकस करो. दिस इज नॉट टाइम टू डिस्कस अबाउट निफ्ट दिल्ली. सपोज नाउ दिमाग में ये चल रहा होगा, आई हैव आस्क्ड यू ओके हाउ आई विल गेट निफ्ट दिल्ली एंड यू आर गिविंग मी ज्ञान ऑफ ओके हाउ टू deal with this situation. Why I'm saying it? Because if you will not get Delhi, if you will get NIFT Bangalore, what will happen? Nothing. Bangalore मिला, Bombay नहीं मिला, क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं होगा. And if you ask me as an expert about these three centers, Delhi, Bangalore, Bombay, all these, wherever you are getting it admission, you have kind of a similar exposure. When it's come to the exposure point of view. So do not worry about the centers. When it's come to the rank, if you want FC or FD, then I will answer this also. You need top 100 rank, all India, general category. All India rank, if you are in general category, then you will get. If you want AD or like, you know, yeah, AD and TD, all this rank in NIFT Delhi, then your rank should be less than 250. If you want LD, KD and some other rank, so if your rank, all India rank is less than 400, 450, still you will manage to get admission in NIFT Delhi. So it's depend on department. So again, what I'm trying to tell you is, if you will see read somewhere जो आपका top 100 rank नहीं है, तो आपका Delhi NIFT में admission नहीं होगा. If you don't have rank under 100, you will not get NIFT Delhi. So this is creating a confusion, because maybe you want AD or maybe you want KD, or instead of FD you will take KD later on. I'm also not discussing right now. Neither or not it's matter. Ali Mohini FC. See, if you want FC or whatever, trust me, the day you will get your result, I'll be happy to tell you about the East Center benefit, in which rank, where you will get admission, because we'll discuss that day practically. Right now, nothing is in our hand. Neither your result nor the current situation is allow you to discuss about it. जो कौन से city में जाना है. But if you have asked the question, I should answer. तो FC क्या है? जो अगर if you have top rank around 60, 70, 80 till that, like, you know, top 100, that's what I say, lump sum 100. So you will get Delhi or mostly Bombay or Bangalore के लिए भी, because these three center quickly it's fill. Or last year जैसे based on NIFT record, last year Bangalore FC was on top, last year Delhi was on top initially, because FC have a better setup in Bombay. So if you ask some FC student, they will say, okay, none of the center is better than Bombay. Bombay is better. And my friend, 10 to 14 batch pass out from NIFT FC. I visited often, and I see why Bombay FC in those days people were saying it's on top. So why Bangalore was on top last year and a couple of years? Because the placement was better here, because there's a lot of department of graphics and other things. So there are so many reasons. These things will confuse you right now. This is not your cup of tea. That's what NID, they don't take admission in any department. Will my first round number bother my rank, whether I got? We all know first round weightage is 80%. So obviously that will carry forward. You need good marks in second round to get the better rank. In a one line, I have told you, that's what of the first round, second round value. And I think it is done. I know this question will never ending. मैंने आज lunch नहीं करा. This is more than enough. 20 minutes extra. I don't believe to take class or not even sit in any class more than 2 minutes also extra. So thank you so much everyone to having such a patience and asking many questions. I would like, if you guys want, we can have some relaxation session and all, some creative session where we will, I was planning about this. If you want to join 100 people, we can have a session in a week, twice, thrice. Let the Rimji ma'am plan where you can come, sing, dance, show your some extra creative effort apart from the classes, that I can arrange. If you want, people know me to arranging a parties also, so that is fine for me. I would like some virtual experiences where we all can celebrate, enjoy. I think, what do you think, ma'am? What is, how about this idea to have some
Yeah,
session?
we can ask the students what they would like to do. We can give them few options. They can decide.
Yeah, anything creative, that's up to them, but some session so that their mood can change. But I understand in this age and this particular time they have to stay in home. This has become too much. So you guys can suggest me right now for that if you want. If you want some this kind of session, that we can arrange. Yeah, couple of my friends are having, sure sir, Riya Singh, very good. Kisi ne to haan bola, couple of my friends are having 3-hour dance and yoga session and all, and they are enjoying it. Oh, so many of them. Kunal, yes, Richa, Gupta, sure. But you all have to participate. I don't want,
Yes,
most
sir,
of them
yes.
is just enjoying it. So many of them, yes, very good. So I decided, one more thing for your advanced batch. We will obviously add you a new batch. But I thought to give you some extra time because many of you are not able to comment on our, what all platform was there. Ma'am, Rimji ma'am, recording band karna. Yes, in a 1 hour now, so done. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Krishna
So
sir.
signing off from my side.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Suraj, for being here.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Everyone
sir.
having
Thank you,
yeah. Any questions and
Thank you,
confusion
sir.
you have in life, please contact me. No problem. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.